Woodstock free vibes on me. Music ease my lonely. I've been up since I don't know where I am. Trying to create a vibe. Trying to get these hours.
Hey guys, my name is Amy. If you're new to my channel, welcome. Hi, thank you for tuning in. If you're an existing subscriber, thank you for coming back to watch my videos. So today's video is going to be on how I achieve the super bouncy curly hair. A few people have asked me to do a video on this hairstyle. I just love doing this hairstyle. Something about body wave, big, huge hair is very much me, and I just enjoy this hairstyle. So I decided to show you guys how I created this look. It's really simple, it's really easy. I'm not professional, so please don't judge me. But yeah, if you do like this hairstyle and you want to achieve this look, please stay tuned. And yeah, I hope you enjoy it, guys. Okay, so this chair's doing the most. My hair is just how it was when I woke up. I haven't brushed or anything like that, but I just wanted to explain to you how the hair is cut, so that if you do want to cut the wig that you have to achieve this look, you can. With the hair, oh my voice. Okay, with the hair I cut some bangs. So if you can see this bit here, I cut this is the two things I cut. So I cut bangs, and then I just feathered a bit of the hair. So I took a bit of hair from this bit here, not the bottom, and then I just feathered it, and then that was it, if that makes any sense whatsoever. Like, I'm not a professional, but that's what I did to frame my face. So what I'm going to start off by doing is I'm just going to clip my bangs out of the way so I can do the other bits first. And honestly, it's so quick and easy. Like, it's nothing special. It's probably not the correct way to do it, but this is how I just do it to achieve like really big curls. So what I'm going to start off by using is this L'Oreal Avive Extraordinary Oil, and it's a hair, it's hair protector, heat protectant, sorry, up to 230 degrees, and it gives shine and silkiness to it, and I use it every time I curl my hair, just because I curl it quite a bit. Like, I'm very much into this hairstyle, so you know, sometimes your wig starts smelling of hair straighteners, so we don't want that. So I'm going to start off by taking a piece of hair, and I'm going to be using this Babyliss hair colour. It says it's a keratin shine hair colour, and I got this from Argos quite a while ago, but I'm sure they still sell this. And what I do is I curl away from my face. So yeah, don't know if that makes any sense. Yeah, I curl away from my face. That's it.
Dipping in the sand, swimming in the blue, taking way too long, chasing.
And then I just hold it there for a few seconds. Everyone knows how to curl their hair. Nothing out of the ordinary. And then what I do is I just drop the curl into my hand. And then I hold that there. And I just make sure the curl is tight. If it loose, like if it unravels, just tighten the curl back up. And then I get a clip. And then I clip it in place. Like that. So yeah, I'm going to do the rest really slowly for you guys to see, but it's very self-explanatory.
Hold me in your mind, I'll be there in time. Fickle enemy, we both know your mind. Rolling in the wind like we're 17, taking way too long, chasing after you, chasing after you. I'm pressed, baby, no stress. Somehow you're making me sweat.
Okay, so I'm on to the next side. So yeah, it was only 3 curls. It wasn't anything major. You need to just make sure that you're changing the direction of the curl when you do the other side, because I used to do the curl in the same direction as the way I did it on this side, and it just didn't, it wasn't as like big, but the curls didn't sit the correct way. So on the other side I was straightening it, I was using the curler this way, whereas on this side now I'm going to be using the straightener that way. So let me just explain it again. So on this side I was using the straightener with this on the top and then curling that way, because that means it's going away from my face. Whereas on this side, if I do that, it's curling towards my face, and I don't want that. So I'm getting the straightener and I'm having this bit underneath, and then I'm curling away from my face.
Yeah. It's just a drive. You know what it is. Yeah. Woodstock free vibes on me. Music ease my lonely. Yeah. I've been up since I don't know where I'm. Trying to create a vibe. Trying to get these hours in. Punching the clock, I get it. Gotta go hard with it. 100, I'ma start with it. Coach looking for starters. Hop in the game, I'm like Harden. Ballin' harder than Spalding. Ballin' harder than Spalding. Yeah. We put in this work, you know this. Early birds don't do no chirping. She sing my catalog, I said I'm proud of them. She sing my catalog like la 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 la.
Okay, so for the bangs now, I'm gonna curl them upwards, like that.
It was my surprise to give you what I have. Dipping in the sand, swimming in the blue, taking way too long, chasing after you. Chasing after you. I'm pressed. Baby, don't stress. Somehow you're making me sweat. I'm stressed.
Okay, so now these are the curls. So yeah, like I said before, I just do 3 curls on each side and then you have the bangs. But now I'm going to go in with the L'Oreal Paris L-Net Extra Strong Hold hairspray. This is the only hairspray I use. It's just my favourite. It holds my curls. My curls last throughout the day. And to be honest, I can wear the same curls the next day, just rebrush the hair. And even though curls have dropped slightly, they're still really, really nice. So yeah, I just spray at the front and then at the back of the hair.
Fickle enemy.
And then that's it. And normally I would do this section if I wanted to like the curls to be really like to hold really well. I'll do this before I do my makeup, and then by the time I've done my makeup I take my curls out and then it's really fluffy. I'm gonna go and make myself some lunch and then I'll come back and show you guys the end result.
It's just a drive. You know what it is. Yeah.
So now that this is what I have, I brush the hair away from my face, and it will help. Don't brush it down because it will just ruin what you've just done.
Creative vibe. Trying to get these hours in. Punching the clock, I get it. Gotta go hard with it. 100, I'ma start with it. Coach looking for starters. Hop in the game, I'm like Harden. Ballin' harder than Spalding. Ballin' harder than Spalding. Yeah.
Okay, so this is the finished look. Literally, I just love this. It's just so bouncy. It's super, it's like not too curly, but it's got enough bounce to it that it's just flowing, and any direction that the hair goes, it looks cute. Like, I just really love it. Yeah, I'm no professional, and obviously this might not be the correct way to do it, but this is how I like to achieve the look, and it does last me a few days, and when it drops it does still look really, really nice. If you did like this hair tutorial and you did like the outcome of this hair, Please don't forget to like, subscribe and comment. Any suggestions on videos would be amazing, and I really appreciate you watching my videos, guys. So I'll see you in my next one. Bye.